Don't grab all the textbook from the textbook shop. 2-hour cycle. This is very important. So you should study 90 minutes. Don't go for a long study. Instead of it, go for the smart study plan. There are so many virtual partners in social media. Hello students, are you studying alone in your home? Don't feel bad because studying alone is not a problem. Some of the students are thinking, I am studying alone. There is no one else for motivating me. Don't think like this, Pasangla. Instead of it, make your room as a classroom. Okay, create a mini classroom in your own home. That is the solution for this. Okay, wow. This is a major solution for this problem. So when you create a classroom in your own home, you will feel like, yes, I am sitting in a classroom where I have study materials, good study materials with me. Okay, wow. And my desk. Yeah, this is very creative and attractive. Create your desk clean and attractive. That is the main thing that you should do. Okay, wow. Do you have a study table? So properly maintain the study table with the study material. Only put the important study material in it. Don't grab all the textbook from the textbook shop, bookshop. Okay. Other than that, please take the beneficial study material and put that material in your table. Okay, wow. Yes. So paste a timetable in front of you. That is also very important. So, Makle, please create a mini classroom in your own home. That will help you so that you can get motivated and you will think, yes, I have everything with me. Now I don't want anybody because this is enough for me. I can study. This self motivation will encourage you to study. Okay, va? Yes. 2-hour cycle. This is very important. So you should study 90 minutes. You should study. If you are studying 2 hour, I am talking about the 2 hour in a day, not about the 8 or 9 hour. So if you are studying 2 hour in a day, take 90 minutes for the studies and take breaks in between. Okay, 10 minutes break is mandatory. Okay, and the 20 minutes revision is mandatory. Don't go for a long study. Instead of it, go for the smart study plan. Okay. So you should study 2 hour, like 90 minutes for studying, 10 minutes for break, and the remaining 20 minutes for what? 20 minutes for revision session. Revision session. This is one of the best or good method for you. Okay, wow. Yes, and record yourself. When you are completed a chapter, just record yourself in the mobile phone or in the laptop. Okay, you can act like a teacher. That will help you. Consider this laptop is your student and you can teach the laptop. Okay, so just act like, yeah, today we are going to study the living goal, the chapter, which includes so many new terms, and I learned these terms. Now I am going to explain what are the terms for you, my dear students. This is the way you can communicate with the laptop or the mobile phone. Okay, so teaching is the best method to remember the concept. That is also very important. Okay, so self-record. Record yourself after you studied a portion or completed a portion. Okay, Makale? Yes, be focused on your studies. That is also very important. Be focused and track the habit and distractions. You know, there are distractions, so many distractions. Sometimes the mobile phone are also distractions for you, making distractions. Okay, when you are taking the mobile phone for recording the video, at that time you will get a notification from Instagram or Facebook and you will go behind that notification. That is a major problem. Don't go like that. Instead of it, make your mind for best preparation. Okay, Makle? Yes. Or otherwise you can find out virtual partners. There are so many virtual partners in social media like YouTube. Okay, so online study room. This is also one of the examples for it. You can get so many online study rooms. And the study with me videos in YouTube. That is also help you. Some of the students are making videos and they are uploaded that in the YouTube. So if you don't have any friends or any peers with you, you can watch that kind of videos and study with that students in the YouTube. Okay, wow. So go for the study with me videos. Really, you are not alone, Pachangala. I am with you. Your teacher is with you. Or if you have any doubts or you want any help from me, you can comment in the comment box. I will give you the answers in the form of videos in my channel. Sariya? Yes. One more thing, Makale, that is the reward. Do you reward yourself? Just do it. That is a positive motivation for you. So just make an aim. Yes, I will complete the chapter Animal Kingdom within 1 hour. If you completed the chapter Animal Kingdom within 1 hour, please give to a chocolate. Sariya, this is a positive motivation for you. So you will think like, yes, I need a chocolate. I need a chocolate today. So I have to complete this portion. Seriya makle? Yes. Otherwise, you can go for a walk, music, or short phone time also. Don't go for a long time in your phone. Short time. Okay, wa? Or hearing your favorite music. Which is a favorite song? Comment below. Which one is your favorite song, makle? And I will give you some bonus tips also. That is, make a mindset like I can do. My seat is waiting. I can achieve that. Okay, this is a good positive mind for you. So, Makale, be motivated alone. You are not alone. Your teacher is here. Okay, va? Make a positive mindset towards the study. Stay tuned here for more videos like this. Bye bye.